Help me overcome my unbelief. A reading from Mark 9:24-29. Immediately the boy's father exclaimed, I do believe. Help me overcome my unbelief. When Jesus saw that a crowd was running to the scene, he rebuked the impure spirit. You deaf and mute spirit, he said, I command you, come out of him and never enter him again. The spirit shrieked, convulsed him violently, and came out. The boy looked so much like a corpse that many said, he's dead. But Jesus took him by the hand and lifted him to his feet, and he stood up. After Jesus had gone indoors, his disciples asked him privately, Why couldn't we drive it out? He replied, This kind can come out only by prayer.
Do we mortals see as Jesus sees? The answer is yes, but with this exception. Jesus sees in full while we see in part. He walked the same earth that we walk, and he breathed the same air we breathe. But when he encountered this afflicted son and suffering father, he brought the force and full authority of God into the encounter. The father was powerless to overcome his son's sickness, but with Jesus present, hope flooded back into the father's heart, and he exclaimed, quote, I do believe, unquote. The father also came to realize that alone he was powerless to bring about the good he hoped for. So he pleaded with Jesus to help him overcome his unbelief. What a profound request. This should be everyone's prayer, because until we do overcome our unbelief in the Lordship of Jesus Christ, we will remain vulnerable to every false belief that passes by.